right, everyone, welcome back. It's another Your Chubby Bubby video, and yes, I bought something that's totally useless. Well, not totally useless. I think I'll be able to use it, hopefully, a little bit effectively. Let's see what it is. Now, for this video, I bought something that should have been common sense. It should have been like, hey, you need this. If you bought your other items, you need this to actually use those items. And it is solder. Yes, I bought a soldering iron and a soldering iron accessory kit, but I didn't buy any solder. Putting the cart before the horse. So, this is a Harbor Freight purchase. So, it matches my skill level and my price level. This is Chicago Electric brand welding lead-free rosin core solder. It comes in a little plastic tube. It looks like a spring. But how you use this, I've not watched any videos on it yet. The only background I have is when I was watching the videos about how to fix the Game Boy. They use solder and flux to clean up the circuit boards. So that's my only background to it. So this will be a learning experience. I've got some things that I can practice on. I'll also use my little helping hands thing. So this video is probably going to be an introductory course to learning how to use solder and use it effectively. This may interest you, it might not. It interests me right now. So let's see what I can get into. All right, so I've got my helping hands and I've got my wire. Now, from what I can tell, and when I say they, I mean people that I watched on YouTube. Simply opened up, compressed, and twisted. Okay. So let's put this in the helping hands. I think that'll work. Okay, now step 2. Getting the soldering iron turned on and warmed up. Alrighty. Get you up, I guess we'll go 800 again since that worked last time. And got you there, ready to go. And now I've got you ready. Do I supposed to handle all this at once? I don't know. So just like that. Aha. Okay. So I imagine I get this hot. A lot of smoke. But the solder's not really settling in. It's just sitting on top of it. Huh. Do you see what I'm seeing? Like it's not soaking in. It's just sitting on top of it. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Is that still hot? Nope. And it's just a ball now. Okay. Let's try something different. Okay. I just watched a random video on how to solder, and I think I got some good tips. So let's focus back down here. Turn my soldering iron back on. I'm going to go ahead and crank it because apparently you need a lot of power here. So we're going to go up to 896, if not a little bit past. Okay. Pull that up. Pull some more of this straight. And apparently I heat the bottom is what I'm supposed to be doing. The video said it may even start smoking. Do, 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 do. And I add it to the top. Well, I hope my soldering iron's hot enough. I mean, I hate to sound like Tim the Toolman Taylor, but I think I may need more power. You would think almost. Hmm. Well, let's keep researching. Okay, so they mentioned using the solder flux, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's see. Okay. Apparently you just take it and make a hole. Okay, if this part is necessary, it is horrible. So now I've got solder flux all over my hand. Okay. Like this. I guess I just hold this on until it gets warm. it's still not working. All right. All right, guys. Apparently this one is a failure. I don't believe my soldering iron will get the wires hot enough, even with flux, to melt the solder. I held on for like 5 minutes straight. I mean, it was hot. It was really hot, but it wasn't enough apparently to make the solder melt. So apparently 900 degrees isn't hot enough. I don't know. So I will try something different and get back. All right, guys. Well, this one was a failure. A big failure. Could not get it to work, so live and learn. All right. They're not going to all be wins. So I will get some different equipment, maybe watch some more videos, see what I'm doing wrong, and move on from then. But thank you for watching. This was a what not to do. So give a like or a dislike, whichever one. Comment if you see where I'm messing up, where I don't. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.